Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share you how to adjust CUMMIN KTA 38 model auxiliary engine speed hunting issue. One day that department requested they need to use ballast pump, and that time we run only one generator and already online load is 70%. So the engineer prepared and started running one more generator, number 1. In CUMMIN engine there is 2 speed, and when you start that run, it should be idle mode. That means speed about 750 rpm fastly, and you should wait for 2 minutes minimum at this speed. And after that, you raise the speed to run mode, speed around about 1500 rpm. It depends on your vessel usage frequency and generator design. Don't forget to start the generator cooling seawater pump if the pump is not attached with engine. After running number 1 generator, speed is so handy and not possible to synchronize with running generator. I try to adjust the gain for stability in the speed control cut, but it's not respond. So I tell the engineer to stop this generator again, but unfortunately he cannot stop by control also. So he closed fuel solenoid valve by throttling control. That means this generator is getting 2 problem issue. One is speed hunting, cannot synchronize, and second one is cannot stop by electrical control. So firstly, I try to solve speed hunting issue. I take out and clean speed picket sensor, check the coil resistance and clean. Put back with previous clearance exactly on the flywheel touch. Try again but stay in negative. So I speak to the engineer to take out EFC fuel pump set, and then I check actuator. Actually, there are 2 types of actuator in CUMMIN engine, normally closed and normally open type. Coded type should be used, and I found it is so dirty inside and slush particle inside actuator. The color is already black color as you see. That is why actuator cannot rotate smoothly to increase to decrease fuel injection and cannot manipulate required RPM as per setting in speed control cut. 2 springs inside are okay, but 1 O-ring damage may be due to exhaust torch tightness in before. Okay, I replaced damaged O-ring and tested actuator with 24 volt DC external power supply. Now it is rotate smoothly, but you make sure your actuator is working with 24 volt DC or 12 volt DC system. Otherwise, it may be damaged when you testing time. I proceed to clean, check fuel solenoid valve due to generator cannot stop by control. This is second issue. So I clean it and tested by giving external power supply, 24 volt DC and air supply. I found solenoid valve always open all the time, whenever getting power or not. That is why we cannot stop by control. So I adjusted solenoid valve throttling control to be correct functioning. We using normally closed type solenoid valve. After finish, I bounce up fuel pump set with actuator and solenoid valve and test actuator finally by external power supply again. That time, click sound should be hard during actuator testing. Otherwise, actuator tightness must be readjusted again. Maybe exhaust tightness or maybe less tightness. Okay, so I speak to the engineer to put back fuel pump set to its position, and I try to check speed hunting issue. Much better than before condition, but it's not so satisfying, and I adjust gain in speed control cut finalization. It takes time and need to be patient. Finally, number 1 generator is running with stable speed in idle mode and run mode as well. Okay, thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed from this video. Next video, I will share how to adjust gain control and speed control cut as a tip detailing. Stay tuned. See you later.